Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this pink bag can mean one thing. Ipsy is here, Ipsy is here, Ipsy is here. Oh my goodness. Woo-wee, that is sticky today. Wow, they must have changed the tape or something because it is strong, strong. Oh, oh boy. Put this down there so I can reuse the bag. Okay, so the first thing I see is this eyeshadow brush, and it looks like a little unicorn, and it has pretty little stones. Do you guys see that? I'm gonna open it even though I'm not sure that I need it right now, but oh yeah, this is a nice one. I like that. I really like this. This is very nice, and I'm kind of particular. I didn't realize I was about my eyeshadow brushes, and the e.l.f. one is my favorite one so far that I have found, and that one feels like it, so I am excited about that. Okay, so here is the Ipsy bag. So Ipsy is a $10 subscription that you get every month, for those of you who may not know, and every month you get 5 sample things and a makeup bag. So I have accumulated tons of bags, but this one's really cute. I think Katie will like this one. She likes to travel, so that's why I think of that. And then this one is Go There, Ipsy May 2018. Hi Ipster, we're writing to you from a cafe in Paris. Roxette is munching on crepes, Lynette is snapping pics, and we're all soaking in the beautiful city. Why are we here? At Ipsy, we're obsessed with self-expression, and we've found that sometimes you need to get lost so you can find yourself. To prove the magic of travel, we busted out our passports, hopped a red-eye to London, and took a train to Paris. We laughed, we cried, we drank proper tea, and ate too many croissants, and we captured every step of the way so we can share it with you all. Check out our journey and learn more about your May bag picks, and see tons of travel-inspired beauty tips and inspo on the Ipsy mobile app. I'm not into that, but let's see, what did I get? So first thing I see is a dewy glow balm for skin, lips, and nails. Dewy Glow Balm by Oriza, I don't know, has been perfectly formulated to repair and protect sensitive skin. Developed as an all-purpose skin and lip balm with UVA and UVB filters for sun protection, it is moisturizing, protective, anti-inflammatory, and soothing for all skin types. So perfect for general use and adding to dewy glow to your makeup. Oh, it's got a... Oh, I guess I should put the lid back on so it won't go all messy on me. Oh, it's very nice. Yeah, that's very nice. I like that. It's not too greasy or anything. It feels good. So it's O-R-Y-Z-A. Oriza, I think. I don't know. And then I have this Koki Professional nail polish. Has a cute little elephant on it, and it is a pretty pink color. It's in the color Fresh Picked. I think that's really pretty. And then I have Pop Goes the Shadow Premium Eyeshadow in the color Goldie by Elizabeth Mott. And it is a very gold eyeshadow. I did a my BoxyCharm earlier, so pardon me. Not bad. And then finally I've got this Painting Therapy Plaque. Serum Control Black Color Clay. This colorful therapy clay packs can be blended depending on the skin condition, by Tony Moley. Apply an appropriate amount on areas that need care or on the entire face. After 10 to 15 minutes, wash off in lukewarm water. So it looks like this is a skin mask. I think I'm just going to leave that on there. I can only assume that it is black. Huh, okay, well, that's cute. I like masks that come like this too, or I don't know, I like masks in any way, it doesn't matter. But those are my 5 items and my little bag. So I think it's pretty cool, and I think for 10 bucks it's well worth it. I mean, you get a cute little bag, and then you get all of these fun things that you can try. I don't always like everything, but and sometimes the color like this isn't quite for me, but I can share the wealth and it's fun. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.